Are you searching for the most effective supplements to finally get your hormones under control? If you're fed up with stubborn weight, wild mood swings, and energy roller coasters, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the essential supplements that can help address hormonal imbalances and promote overall well-being. As a nutritionist specializing in women's health and hormone balance, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of incorporating the right supplements into a comprehensive wellness plan. I've helped countless high-performing women just like you go from burnout and blah to brilliantly balanced and buzzing with energy. Trust me, recognizing and addressing hormone imbalances can dramatically improve your quality of life. Hormonal imbalances like estrogen dominance, thyroid issues, and insulin resistance can feel like a maddening game of hide and seek, wreaking havoc on everything from your menstrual cycle to your mood, weight, and energy levels. It's as if your hormones are playing a complex symphony within your body. When they're in harmony, you feel fantastic, energized, clear-headed, and in control. But when one or more of these hormones start playing out of tune, the entire orchestra sounds off, feeling like a hot mess express. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that even subtle hormonal imbalances can significantly impact a woman's overall health and quality of life. The researchers noted that these imbalances often go undiagnosed and untreated, leading to persistent symptoms and frustration. The truth is, as women, our hormones are delicately balanced and easily influenced by factors like diet, lifestyle, stress, and aging. When one hormone gets out of whack, it can create a domino effect that throws off your entire system. Supplements can be a powerful ally in your quest for hormonal harmony. They work by complementing a healthy lifestyle and providing targeted support for hormone regulation. It's like giving your body the specific tools it needs to rebuild and rebalance itself from the inside out. Nourishing your body with the right nutrients can help stabilize hormones, much like a skilled conductor brings an unruly orchestra back into harmony. By providing your body with the building blocks it needs to produce and regulate hormones effectively, supplements can help you reclaim your emotional equilibrium and feel like the best version of yourself again. I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of targeted supplementation in my work with high-achieving women. By identifying key nutrient deficiencies and imbalances, we've been able to create personalized supplement protocols that help my clients go from burnout and blah to brilliantly balanced and buzzing with energy. But with so many supplements on the market, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why in the next section, we'll dive into top supplements for hormone balance that every woman should know about. Trust me, these powerhouse nutrients can be game changers in your journey towards optimal health and vitality. Now that you understand the critical role supplements can play in regulating your hormones, let's dive into my top picks for women's hormone balance. First up is magnesium, the mighty mineral that's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, including progesterone production. Magnesium acts like a graceful dance partner to progesterone, helping it maintain its rhythm and balance in the face of estrogen dominance. By supporting healthy progesterone levels, magnesium can ease those dreaded PCMS symptoms like cramps, mood swings, and bloating that leave you feeling like a shadow of yourself each month. A study in the Journal of Women's Health found that supplementing with magnesium significantly reduced PMS symptoms in women, showcasing its powerful potential for hormonal harmony. Next on the list is Vitex, also known as chasteberry, the herbal wonder woman of hormone balance. Vitex works by giving a gentle nudge to your pituitary gland, encouraging it to optimize progesterone production while keeping prolactin levels in check. This dynamic duo of hormonal support can help regulate your menstrual cycle, reducing those frustrating symptoms like mood swings, breast tenderness, and cramps that can make you feel like you're riding a monthly roller coaster. In one study, 93% of women with PMS experienced a decrease in symptoms after taking Vitex for just 3 months. Talk about a game changer. If you're struggling with estrogen dominance, PCOS, or endometriosis, DIM could be your new best friend. This powerful compound, found naturally in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, is like a master recycler for your hormones. It helps your body metabolize and clear out excess estrogen, restoring balance and reducing the risk of estrogen-related issues. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism revealed that DIM supplementation significantly increased the ratio of good to bad estrogen metabolites in women, promoting optimal hormonal health. For those of you feeling the weight of stress on your hormones, allow me to introduce ashwagandha, the adaptogenic chill pill of the herbal world. This ancient herb helps your body build resilience in the face of stress, which can be a major disruptor of hormone balance. By reducing cortisol levels, the infamous stress hormone, ashwagandha can help alleviate anxiety, depression, and fatigue while boosting energy and libido. One study found that women who took ashwagandha experienced a significant reduction in stress and a 27% decrease in cortisol levels compared to the placebo group. Myo-inositol, a member of the B vitamin family, is like a master communicator for your hormones, especially when it comes to insulin and sex hormones. By improving your body's sensitivity to insulin, myo-inositol can help keep blood sugar levels stable and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, which can throw your hormones into a tailspin. In a study of women with PCOS, a condition characterized by hormonal imbalances, those who took myo-inositol experienced improved insulin sensitivity, more regular menstrual cycles, and better egg quality. Last but certainly not least is vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, that's essential for hormone production and regulation. Vitamin D receptors are found in nearly every tissue of your body, including those responsible for hormone synthesis. Optimal vitamin D levels can help support the production of sex hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, as well as thyroid and adrenal hormones. A study published in the European Journal of Endocrinology found that women with vitamin D deficiency had a significantly higher risk of hormonal disorders like PCOS and infertility. As a women's health expert who has guided countless high achievers to hormonal bliss, I can attest the transformative power of these targeted supplements. By incorporating them into a comprehensive lifestyle plan tailored to your unique needs, you can finally experience a vibrant, energetic, and balanced version of yourself that you deserve. I want to know, have you tried any of these supplements for hormone balance? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions about incorporating them into your routine. When it comes to using supplements for hormone balance, dosage and quality are key. It's not just about popping a few pills and hoping for the best. You need to be strategic and selective to get the results that you deserve. Think of it like this. If your hormones are a delicate symphony, supplements are the fine-tuning instruments that help each section play in harmony. But if you're using the wrong tools or the wrong amounts, you might end up with chaos instead of a masterpiece. That's why it's crucial to work with a knowledgeable expert who understands the unique hormonal challenges facing high-achieving women like yourself. Someone who can guide you in selecting the highest quality supplements and personalizing the dosages to your specific needs. Now, speaking of quality, quality is paramount when it comes to supplements. You want to make sure that you're getting the purest, most potent forms of each nutrient without any unnecessary fillers or additives that could interfere with absorption or cause side effects. Look for reputable brands that use third-party testing to verify the purity and potency of their products. Dosage is equally important. While there are general recommended ranges for each supplement, the optimal amount can vary based on factors like age, weight, health status, and the severity of your hormonal imbalances. Taking too little may not provide the desired benefits, while taking too much can potentially lead to adverse effects. The same principle applies to other key supplements like magnesium, DIM, and vitamin D. By working with an expert to personalize your dosages, you can ensure that you're getting the maximum benefit from each nutrient without any unwanted side effects. While supplements can be a game changer for hormonal balance, they work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress-reducing lifestyle practices. It's like building a house. Supplements are that finishing touches that make everything come together, but you need a solid foundation of nutrition and self-care to create lasting change. That's why I developed a comprehensive hormone balancing program specifically for high-achieving women like you. It's not just about popping a few pills and hoping for the best. It's a holistic approach that addresses every aspect of your health and lifestyle that impacts your hormones. Through my program, you'll learn how to nourish your body with the right foods in the right quantities so you can finally stop feeling inflamed, bloated, and trapped in a body that doesn't feel like home. You'll discover how to stabilize your blood sugar, optimize your macronutrient ratios, and eliminate the sneaky hormone disruptors that are sabotaging your progress. But I know that knowledge alone isn't enough. You need guidance, support, and accountability to make lasting changes. That's why my program includes personalized coaching, meal plans, and success tracking to keep you motivated and on track. No more going at it alone or feeling like you're constantly struggling. And the best part, by addressing the root cause of your hormonal chaos, you'll experience benefits that go far beyond just looking good in the bikini, although that's a definite perk. Imagine waking up refreshed and energized, ready to tackle your day with confidence and clarity. Picture yourself feeling balanced, centered, and in control of your moods and emotions, no matter what life throws your way. As your hormones come into harmony, you'll notice a profound shift in every aspect of your well-being. Your metabolism will rev up, making weight loss effortless and empowering. Your skin will glow, your hair will shine, and your libido will come roaring back to life. You'll feel like the vibrant, sexy, unstoppable force of nature you were always meant to be. So if you're ready to finally break free from the hormonal prison that's been holding you back, I invite you to join my program. With the right tools, guidance, and support, you can reclaim your vitality and step into the life that you deserve. I've helped countless driven women reclaim their vitality and get their hormones humming again through my signature program. If you're ready to finally get to the root of your symptoms and feel like the vibrant, energized version of yourself again, I invite you to book a Dream Body Blueprint session with my team. No more guessing, no more frustration, just a clear plan and expert support to rebalance your hormones, boost your metabolism, and reclaim your confidence. Click the link below to grab your spot. Now go check out the next video in this series on the top 5 foods for hormone balance without HRT. I'll see you there.